We've learned so much about our design that if you compare it to the earliest version, it's now 3 times as large, it's twice as complex, but it really shows how really working on a project for a long time can really improve it.
We went from a hood that was only able to apply 10 square meters of coating and then it was fully contaminated, to a hood which right now can coat over 200 square meters without any contamination, which means that the operator doesn't have to interfere in the coating process.
The main goal of our product is to limit the amount of overspray, but also to minimize the amount of time that the product is standing still on the wall, because that is costing everyone time and therefore also money. So one of the big improvements in this particular iteration of the hood is to employ our newest filter design, which allows us to spray longer without the contractor or the operator having to interact with the product for a very long time, so that we can have more spraying hours out of the same day.
Our vision is that the operator just has to put a crawler on the wall of the tank and press play, sit back and watch the coating being done by the crawler.